Imagine waking up tomorrow and noticing something is different. You find yourself unusually sensitive to numbers. You are writing a math test and find that all the questions simply make sense, and the answer just comes to you.
This is definitely not my case because I've not always been good at math. If we talk about math, everyone is scared. But why? This word math gathered a lot of concepts like algebra, calculus, some rules, theorem, and a lot of other things. But trust me, it's easy. So if you want to get a good grade like this, you need to follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, master the formulas. But let me tell you something, math is all about formulas. You see any concept with math, calculus, algebra, differentiation, integration, any concept with math is all about formulas. You will have some formulas, some rules, some theorems that will tell you how to do for each exercise, each question that you will face. So the rule number 1, you need to be able to know all your formulas in math in your head so that even if you don't have your notes next to you, you are able to remember them and to use them. But the mistake that some people make is that they don't master the formulas and they just want to jump right into the exercises. No, it's wrong. Take your time, master the formulas in math. Once you are done with the formulas, the rules, the theorem, now you will have a better understanding on how to solve each exercise, and it will be so easy for you to solve any exercise you will face. Trust me, formulas is key in math. Number 2, you need to be able to understand how some exercises are solved in math. What do I mean by that? You don't have to learn the teacher's specific example. Let me explain myself. Let's say that today your teacher solved an exercise in derivative, and the only thing you do is to just learn the entire process. You just learn the entire example the teacher solved in class. This is totally wrong. Instead, you should just try to understand how this question was solved. What are the steps the teacher went through? And in this case, you will see that rules, formulas, and theorem, they are so important because you will use them in order to solve this exercise. Don't waste your time trying to learn your teacher example. Just know how it is done so that if any question comes out during the exam, you will be able to solve it. Instead of knowing a specific example of the teacher, you are able to solve any question on it because you know how the process should be done. And finally, number 3, practice is key. You need to practice a lot. Practice is key. Remember this. You can apply in math and in any other field in your life. You need to practice a lot in order to become better at anything in your life. Let's suppose that you have a question in math to solve. The first time solving it, you can take 30 minutes to solve it. After 10 practice, you can take 20 minutes. After 20 practice, you can solve it in less than 10 minutes. So the more you practice, the better you become. Keep practicing, do a lot of practice. Don't limit yourself to one exercise and move on. No, it's completely wrong. If you have a question, practice it a lot of times so that you can solve it in less than 5 minutes. And during exam, the teacher can change the value, put any value, you know how it is done, you have done enough practice so that you will be able to solve any question in a short amount of time. Practice is key. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like this video because I know you like it. Don't lie to yourself. You love this video, right? Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe.